A group of 10 children and 4 adults are going to the zoo. Child tickets cost $3 and adult tickets cost $7. How much will the zoo tickets cost in all? Well, we have 2 different groups of people and 2 different costs for each group. So let's start out with the children. There's 10 children and child's tickets are $3 each. So we'll put C for children. So 10 groups of $3 is 10 times 3, and that's going to be $30 for that group of people. The other group of people are the adults. There's 4 of them, and adult tickets cost $7 each. So A for adults, 4 groups of 7 is 4 times 7, which means they spent $28 in all. Now to find out how much the whole thing costs, we add up the children's tickets costs and the adults' tickets costs. So let's add these guys up. 0 plus 8 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, since this is a word problem, we need to answer with words or units or whatever. How much will the zoo tickets cost in all? Well, $58. And that's our answer.